Labels for kitchen organization. Create a picture-perfect kitchen with this set of 375 pre-printed pantry organization labels. The stickers include 324 commonly used ingredients, such as baking powder, baking soda, cornstarch, beans, bread flour, cake flour, chocolate chips, cocoa powder, coffee, nuts, popcorn, powder sugar, tea, all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, brown rice, brown sugar, chips, cookie, cornmeal, pancake mix, pasta, rolled oats, white rice, white sugar, and whole wheat flour. Stay fresh. Place the kitchen labels for pantry organization on your food storage container of choice to create a functional, organized, visually appealing workspace when baking or preparing meals, suitable for pantry containers with lids, tall glass canisters, and jars. No messy handwriting. These pantry organization and storage labels feature black script lettering pre-printed on water-resistant, transparent vinyl with a self-adhesive backing that can easily be removed or replaced as needed. Uniform, organized kitchen. The rectangular food storage stickers come in 3 sizes for picture-perfect kitchen organization. The labels measure 1.5 by 1 inch, 1.75 by 1.75 inches, and 2.25 by 2 inches. Comes with. You will receive 375 pre-printed minimalist pantry labels with 324 names of pantry items, 8 numbers, 8 ampersands, 34 expiration dates, and a comprehensive, alphabetized list of the label names for easy reference. Note: set does not include food storage containers. Top reviews from the United States. Very large set, perfect size, but still missing some obvious ones. I like this medium size, even for larger containers as long as they're all visible. I like the type, style and material. Only a few containers gave me trouble trying to properly stick label in place. Casual type is more forgiving if it's not level. I did miss about a dozen labels. Why don't sellers show full list before purchase? Some are less common but not unknown: xanthan gum, castor sugar. Others seem obvious: baking chocolate, split peas, malt powder. Even hazelnut flour and white rice flour. The set does come with tapioca flour and similar, so I missed these too. Overall a good buy, though.